everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today we're going to make a Rogan Josh in the slow cooker. You know what I think about the slow cooker. Anything that does the hard work for me is my best friend. And this one literally is dump it and set it, forget, then eat. A really delicious curry. This one will fill your house with the most beautiful smells. You'll have everybody running down for dinner. So just put on the rice or make some quick flatbread and dinner is on the table. Let's get cooking.
Start by cutting your lamb into large chunks. Then slice your onions and add them to the slow cooker with the lamb. Then grate your ginger and add it to the slow cooker. Now chop your garlic and add it to the slow cooker. Then dice up your tomatoes. Go ahead and sprinkle the chicken stock powder over all the other ingredients in the slow cooker. Then add the bay leaves and the cinnamon stick and give it a good mix. Now add the whole jar of curry paste. Using your clean hands or a wooden spoon, work the curry paste through all the ingredients in the slow cooker. Add the water and then put the lid on the slow cooker. You're going to cook the curry on high for 3 hours. After 3 hours, add the yogurt and then cook for a further 2 hours on high. The meat from the slow cooking has really made that very tender. And the spices in that curry paste, just from the jar, is absolutely delicious. So I really hope you give this one a go and I really hope you enjoy.